Okay, today we're going to be setting up your digital portfolio through Google Sites. So to begin with, just from your Chrome browser on your Chromebook, you're going to, in the address bar, you're going to type in sites.google.com. Okay, it'll lead you to this page, and we want to create a site, so we're going to click this red button that says create. And we also want to do this in new sites, so we're going to click new sites. And it's going to lead us to our new site. Okay, up here, if you click in this page title box, it becomes active, and we're going to put our your full name, first name, middle initial, last name. Once you type that, you can click off of it and it stays there. You want to leave the header as is, but you also can go over here to themes and you get some options on customizing your page or your site. You can do that. I'm in the simple one and I'm changing colors. I can change the font style from light, classic to heavy, or you can go down here to some of the other ones. This is just your personal preference, what you would like to make it. So I'm going to give you a few minutes and let you go ahead. I'm going to pause the screencast and give you some time to make a decision on what theme you would like. Okay, now that you've got your banner set up, and that's what we're calling this right here is the banner. If you click down here, you have some options on header type. You can click here. You can have your banner be the entire cover. You can do a large banner. You can do a small banner, or you can just do the title only with no picture at all. So we're going to go ahead and select the large banner one. And that changes it to about half of the page. You can also customize the background here. You can upload your own image, or you can select one of Google's images by just hitting the change image, select image, and it gives you some options. Okay, I'm going to switch over now to a sample site that I created that has a picture that I actually took, and so I wanted to showcase it on my site. So I uploaded it and set it as the banner. Okay, now we're going to add some pages to our site. And so up here in the top right hand corner, we're going to click on Pages. And we have the option of, we have a home page. And so we want to hover over the home page and we want to click on the three dots. And we actually want to duplicate this page. Okay, but at this point, we want to take out Copy of Home and we want to add Learner Profile, because later on we're going to link our learner profile to this page. So you click Done and you're going to see the page appear under the Home. Okay, we want to do that again. Click on the three dots next to Learner Profile. We want to duplicate page, and this time we want to make this College and Career Readiness. That page appears, and you'll notice as we add these, now they appear up here in the banner, and that's what we want. Okay, our third page is going to be e-portfolio. Click Done. Okay, now you should, under your Home tab, you should have three pages: Learner Profile, College and Career Readiness, and ePortfolio. So I'm going to stop. I'm going to give you some time to go ahead and add these so that your screen looks like mine. Okay, so now you've got your screen set up with your pages listed in your banner. Now, we need to look at this ePortfolio one again. So we're going to go back to it. We're going to click on the three dots. Now, under the ePortfolio, we want a page for each grade. So we're going to go to Add Subpage now. This is going to make a page under the ePortfolio tab. So we want to name the first one Ninth. Click Done. I'm going to go back, add another to the three dots, add another subpage. This one is 10th. Done. Back again, add another subpage. This one's 11th. And one final time, add a subpage, and we're going to make this one 12th. Okay, now once you have those set up, if you go up here in the banner to ePortfolio and you hover over that, now you should see all four grade levels. So if you don't see that, then go back, make sure that you did this correctly. Okay. Now later on, we'll have a screencast on how to add things to these pages as you complete them. So this will be an ongoing thing. You've done the learner profile, so we'll link it next time. We'll be talking about some things you need to put under your college and career readiness, and then we'll also start talking about what's going to go into the ePortfolio under each grade. So with Google, you don't have to save. It automatically saves, but you probably want to go up here and click on Untitled Site and go ahead and just name that your name so that we know we can find it readily available next time. So make sure that you've done those things, and then next time we'll pick up and we'll start putting some documentation into this site.